Hey guys! Bit of a late, last minute plan tonight, but it is Maisie's birthday in literally...
about half hour.
Yeah, about half an hour. So we've decided we're gonna go into 7-Eleven, see if they've got any cute cakes, and we're gonna go surprise her. I'm not gonna lie, there's not many fucking options. Like, at all. This is probably the best option right now. A vanilla sponge cake. And some strawberry tarts, because one, she loves tarts, and two, she is a tart. So we could make that look cute with some little candles, I guess. What are these? That is not even cake, that's like fucking jelly in there. Right, okay, we'll go for those ones. We'll go in for those ones. Right, okay, we went for these ones, guys. So we got the vanilla sponge cake and the tarts for the tart.
Tarts for the tart.
And then I managed to find some candles. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do. Probably put a candle in each tart because there's a little hole in each one.
Yeah, was it 12 candles, isn't it?
Yeah.
So 6 tarts and then 3 of those, so 2 in each.
That's gonna be a lot of candles, but
We're gonna set the whole bitch on fire.
yeah, literally. We're gonna get a little speaker, play Happy Birthday, and we're just gonna barge through the door. Like, Happy Birthday!
Surprise, motherfucker!
Yeah, literally that. So we'll let you know how it goes, how her reaction is. Let's hope she's not fucking asleep. But yeah, I'm gonna come back when I'm on the motorbike on the way there, guys. In a bit.
Right, guys, it is currently 11:31. And we don't know if Mais is awake or not. She was last active on Snapchat 22 minutes ago because we've got her location. So, don't really know what to do. Do you know what? Let me do this. What time you thinking for tomorrow? Boom.
How we hope she replies.
Let's hope she replies. Fingers crossed.
Yes.
And fingers crossed that the door's unlocked.
Oh shit, yeah. We're gonna go to Tops, see if they got any bigger cakes. If not, she's having these. And we're gonna look for some like party. What are they called?
Party poppers.
Yeah, the thing where you go, whoo!
Oh no, the party. Oh, the fuck knows what they're called.
Whatever they
What
are.
are they called?
I don't know, that's what I'm asking you.
I don't know, like party whistles.
Whatever they are, we're gonna like party poppers, whatever they fucking are. Some sort of confetti or something.
Balloons or something, bro. Throw some balloons.
Yeah. We're just gonna see what they've got, but if not, we're literally gonna have to settle for this. Sorry, Mais, but we did try, but it's a bit last minute. Right, we'll be back.
Should.
Potato Head is back. Right, we're going to Tops. So come with us. Do you know which way it is?
I know my way around this whole fucking island, sweetheart.
Mate, this guy actually does not need the maps for anything. What the fuck? But he says he knows the fucking way. It's only fucking there, little cunt.
That's not the one I was talking about, bro. Hey, that's not the one I was talking about, but fuck it, we're getting this one.
Or we can get a teddy out the vending machine. Shall we? Right, let's see what they got. Thanks. Any cakes? Right. I thought that was a cake then. Nah, to be fair, the cakes are actually worse in here. They've got bread, we could get like...
You're a fucking bun.
Yeah, but it's round like a cake.
Somebody's have anything I can have, you know, birthday cake.
Arena?
Birthday cake?
Okay.
Birthday? No. Anywhere.
7.
7 only.
Okay, it's the ones we've got. What's this? I think the ones we got was better.
Yeah, no, the ones we got away better.
Right, we'll stick to the ones we got.
Oh, look, this one's orange.
Oh yeah. They did have that one in there, but I thought maybe vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla.
Yeah, this is all just bread, guys.
You should get like a bag of M&Ms and throw them all over the cake.
Yeah.
Shall we?
What a decorator. We should have, do you know what would have been a funny vlog? If we baked a cake.
Oh, we should. We ain't got nothing.
Yeah.
We ain't got nothing.
Whoops. Right, I don't know what we're looking for.
Should we get some M&Ms and throw them over it or what?
We can do you want to?
I don't know, what's this, some marshmallows?
Yeah.
Or some marshmallows? Let me see the cake.
Wait, this is how random it is.
How big
because-
is this cake?
Have a look. I think maybe we should leave it as it is. Remember the candles we've got to go in now.
I think maybe some M&Ms on it, just to give it some colour.
Do you think?
Yeah, just to give it some colour.
What else can we get her, guys? Any? I don't actually think they've got any birthday things. I'm not gonna lie. It's not looking good, bruv. Sorry, Mais, you're gonna have to settle with this shit cake. What else could we get her?
Got some M&Ms.
Huh?
I got some M&Ms.
Got some M&M?
Yeah, we're gonna put some M&Ms in there, make it colourful.
Ooh, colourful. Right, okay.
That's it, I guess.
That is it.
Okay.
I think I need a drink. Should we get her a teddy?
Try with her teddy.
Should we try with her a teddy, guys?
We're gonna get ripped off. How much is it?
Insert bill in any direction.
Yeah, but
Next to
how much is it?
That's what I'm trying to work out. 490 baht?
Surely not.
Yeah, look. I think it's prize every time. How much is that?
No. Yeah, it costs 490 baht.
How much is that? Like 20 quid?
No, it's like 12 quid.
For a shit teddy, yeah.
Let's do it.
Sorry, Mais, you're not worth a teddy. She's only having a cake because fuck the fucking... Fuck the teddy. Can we take the piss and just get her like some granny pads?
You want to get her granny pads for her birthday? Fuck's sake.
Speak to Emma while I fucking drink my Red Bull.
Hello? Bro, why'd you film down? Film up.
Is that on my forehead looks massive?
Yes. This girl doesn't know how to hold a camera properly.
What did you say?
Said she doesn't know how to hold a camera properly.
Says the one who says I'm a pro vlogger. Oh, he also said the other day he only used me for vlogs.
I was about to say it again, but I didn't want you to get mad. I told her I just like giving her the camera because then I don't have to vlog myself. So I basically use her. And she got mad at me.
Yep, that's right.
You forgive me?
I'll just use you for a motorbike, free motorbike ride.
20 baht! Grab
now.
driver, pay now! Hey, all gone. Fuck me, she necked that Red Bull like there was no tomorrow.
Feel sick now.
Yeah, I bet.
Might be sick on Maisie's cake.
As long as you're not sick on me.
Ugh.
Blech.
Remember holding them with one hand.
Well, hold on tightly then.
Guys, when we get there, we've got to try and be quiet because sometimes she has her curtains open, so.
Imagine she's got her door open.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, imagine. We're just going to have to say that I'm getting my flip-flops off Taylor. At 12 o'clock at night, because apparently I need them at 12 o'clock at night. I don't know what we're going to say. She's going Muay Thai in the morning. So that means she's probably going to go to sleep soon. Don't know. Oh dear. It's not looking good, Beth. What, we're taking a detour?
No, we're just going up into the darkest roads there are. Show them how dark that is. Let's go.
Remember, I'm holding on with one hand.
Hold on tight.
I'm just thinking how we're gonna go up the hill. Oh my god, you can't even see me. Hey, chill the fuck out. I don't think you should park on her drive because she might come out wondering who it is. I think you should park around the corner and we'll walk a bit.
She is a nosy cow, to be fair.
Huh?
Said she is a nosy cow, to be
Yeah,
fair.
not me. Not like literally away, but do you know what I mean? Not
It's
on the
always the
drive.
curtains are closed, I'll just go straight in. That's where I always park.
We've got to make sure we don't set the curtains on fire.
Yeah, imagine.
Right, we're nearly here. He's telling me to shake. Maisie's is right there. Wait, ours is right there. That corner one. Right, we'll be back, guys. What are you looking?
Oh, that's Lotus.
Oh. Go on, Charlie.
Go on, Charlie, give it a right look.
Right, we're about to put the candles in, guys.
Wait, how can I get this out? Because it's really soft.
Just leave it like that.
No,
Wait,
take
on
them.
plate.
I want to take.
Yeah, just put it on a plate.
Should put it on a plate.
Yeah.
You know the owner.
No, come on, that looks that's so disappointing.
No. Okay. I've washed my hands, so it's chill.
Go on, so you do it.
Push them in.
Yeah, but how are we going to get the candles in?
Give me the candle quickly. Give me the candles. Wait. I've got an idea. No. Colour it. Yes. Wait.
Oh no.
No, wait, because I need the candles to hold the tarts in place.
No, it's working.
No, but look.
Just shoved them in.
No, but if you put this through.
But they're not like.
They're not going to go there through.
I have.
What's it?
What's that?
Oh yeah, we've got pokers and big stuff.
Oh, yes.
We've got equipment. No. Just shove that right in there. There we go. We just say this comes with a warning. Caution.
Just don't cover the hole for the candle. Wait, the candle's not going to be able to fit in there anyway, are they?
Candle can go
in the top.
No, look, candles should be like that sideways.
This is
That
so
might fall
funny.
down.
Do you think it'll fall?
Yeah. And we're walking with it.
Are these in enough?
Yeah, put them right in.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah, Taylor, come on, all the way.
That one's full.
Let's see.
I just don't want to like. Oh my god, this cake's
It's
actually.
Maisie the caterpillar.
Oh, that's what it should be called.
I'm gonna go like.
Get the M&Ms and
It
sprinkle
looks like
M&Ms
something
in
you
them.
get on Doctor Who or something.
Yes, that'll do. 5 candles for 25, and then we got M&Ms.
Spicy. What time is it?
This is the finished product.
We've got 8
Oh,
minutes.
yeah, great.
8 minutes. 8 minutes.
Otherwise it doesn't count.
Yeah.
Otherwise we'll have to go, oh sorry, come back.
She's gonna love it. We're adding some Nutella biscuits. Because why not?
Oh, is it?
We got back and I rolled
crush
this to a biggest like mix.
There you
Here we
go.
go. Here's Maisie's birthday cake.
Usually when I do that, you
Asian.
get a couple of shitters in there, but we've just got 5.
Love it.
Well, it's not
It's the
Asian.
four that count.
It's 11 o'clock at night. 12.
Charlie is the thief of Ma's glasses.
Bro, what the fuck are you? I literally just went to like put the ash down the drain, and I look, I see this in the sink. I was like, oh, let me take them out. And I was like, wait a minute, they're my missing Prada shades. What the fuck?
Oh, see, look.
The cake's waiting to go.
That's why I've been
Guys.
using the Versace ones.
Looks great, doesn't it?
What's these ones? What the?
Yeah.
Why are the candles in a big formation?
She likes sticks and hearts. Sticks and hearts. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to Maisie. Happy birthday to you. Probably like sparkling.
Why are they sparkling? Sorry, that was that's all we could do.
Wait, wait, they're back.
What the fuck?
Oh wait.
Wait, what?
Are they magic candles?
Oh yeah, they were.
Hey, blow your candles out, girl. Blow your candles out.
There you go. Oh wait. What's going on?
Oh, look.
You might have to let them die down.
No, blow your candles out. What are you doing?
It's the smoke thing. It's doing that.
No, you gotta blow your candles out. There is
Charlie.
No, you've got to run them in the water.
I'm going to dry my fucking hair.
Well, happy birthday. No, you're gonna have to put them on the water. I'm gonna have to put them on the water.
You fucking do it. My birthday, you do it. Thanks, guys.
Happy birthday.
Did you hear us or not?
No, I was playing my music and drying my fucking hair.
You sit upstairs.
You're not
going,
well
"She
over
might
it."
hear us, what if she's already knows?
Oh, I was sitting there going, yeah, I was up to my mum at like midnight and yeah. So I look really cool with my hair half done.
So you got like some vanilla sponge and some tarts for the tart. You know what I'm saying?
Fair fights. Fair fights.
Careful, there's toothpicks on them, yeah?
Yeah.
No.
Fuck, she, I weren't supposed to tell her, man.
Huh?
Yeah, what if me and Taylor
Taste
have a jammy daughter each? Because like there's like
No, go on.
non-vegan sweet, non-vegan.
Do you like the cake we made?
Stealing the Oreo biscuits.
It took us about 3 hours to bake that.
Just spit it out your mouth for saying that.
Nutella.
Don't get it twisted.
Nutella.
Mine to put fucking Otis Redding on.
You got that vape and everything. Well, happy birthday. Good night. Bye.